back to my channel, and for those new folks, thanks for joining. In this video, I'll be showing you how I make a lobster clay cutter and stamp. This is a clay cutter or a cookie cutter program called CookieCAD. I like to add a little bit of water to the cutter and the clay so that it doesn't stick. Also, you could probably use some cornstarch if you had that on hand. I did not. Just a little tip, you want to paint your polymer clay while it is still raw. That is, before you bake it. Otherwise, if you paint it after it's baked, it becomes sticky and does not work, or last, for that matter. I baked it at 275 for 10 minutes. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more art-related content. And hey, don't forget to hit the bell. Toodles!